Your boy Rich, everything checking in, man. I got the shirt tied around my head, man, because the dreads like super wet. I had to go and help my nephew out, you know what I'm saying, putting on a starter, and like I was laying down in a pool under the car just to get it started. But got it started with the old starter. I just told him, man, look here, take it back to the people that you paying and let them go ahead and do the work to it, you know what I'm saying? Then instead of kicking out like $230-something for a starter. But, you know, again, like I always tell y'all, that's here nor there. It's raining. We can't let this thing slow us down, man. This cold weather sliding in on us. So, yeah, just out here trying to get this other side leveled off. When we get this other side leveled off, we're going to go ahead and get the top in there. You know what I'm saying? We really at that point to where you can see at the back, last time y'all saw the video, at the back right there, what, straight is straight now. My homeboy got me right. I had to call in some backup. I ain't even gonna lie, like I told you, I'll get help. So I got my boy, the GOAT, aka Skeeter, down here to help me level that thing off so I can go ahead and get it right and get this top in there so we can go ahead and move on and make progress or whatnot. Looking inside this thing, out of all that rain we had, I ain't even gonna lie, like, because I had that piece of metal, you can see right there where I did get a little puddle of water right there. That's only because of the little piece of metal that was right there allowing that water to come in there. But I'm gonna take the shop back in a few and I'm gonna go ahead and get that out of there. Now, my brackets down here, just to update y'all. These right here, I can't put them back out, but I'm gonna take the wire, brush to those right there, you know what I'm saying, on the drill or the DA or wherever, bust those down. I'm gonna pour 15 those. Also, the back is getting pour 15 as soon as we get this top and everything in there. But before I pour 15 those, I've already figured out how I want to do the brackets for the back bucket seats over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark everything up, make sure everything line up perfectly. Go ahead and weld my brackets onto the seats, and then I have a special rivet gun that will allow me to drill a hole and it will put a rivet through. But now that rivet, when it goes through, it will allow me to put a nice size screw through it. So Harbor Freight tool. So invested in that. Also invested in some body tools and whatnot. Let y'all check that out, man. Had to go get that. You feel me? Went and got some body tools for my homeboy and myself to work with. And to be honest with you, like, paid for the membership a while back, so I was like, why not? It was an orange tag, man. I paid $29 for it. So great investment, to be real with you. You know what I'm saying? When you got to get out here and you got to work by yourself out here in this yard. I ain't even gonna say by yourself out here in this yard, but just a great investment, man. So with that being said, man, the process is getting done. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna turn the camera around and let y'all see how scraped we got this thing right here so far. You can see right there, man, he didn't beat that whole dent out of the back right there, man. Like, when I tell you my boy do excellent work, he do excellent work. And it's just God work, because I'm sitting here watching the sun come out. You know what I'm saying? We just put the tent up, but just blessed, man. When you got good people around you, man, you ought to treat good people, you know what I'm saying, the same way that you want to be treated. So when he come around, man, like, he great people to me. He like family, you know what I'm saying? He pull up in the yard, my wife, my kids, everybody know him, man. You know, he just come to work, so, and it is what it is, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna get back to work, man. We already done wasted enough time on this thing, so I know I got y'all in my inbox in the comments or whatnot saying how long it's gonna take, but y'all, you just be patient, you know what I'm saying? That's how greatness comes, so just stay tuned, man. Yep. So, my buddy came through today. Like I said, man, you can see where we went around, man. Used the body jack, and actually, we got tired of playing with it, so we just got straight to the point and just went ahead and got everything flat. So the whole top, man, you know what I'm saying, it's like super straight now. But, you know, we're still gonna put the glass in it, and we're gonna test it to see where we need to level it off at. But right now, man, to be honest with you, man, because I know a lot of people been saying, how long is it gonna take? You know what I'm saying? I can't predict how long it's gonna take today. As you can see, you know what I'm saying, it did start raining on us. Little tornado touchdown on Myrtle Beach. It didn't affect us in any way, but yeah, it started pouring rain on us, man, and we jumped on this thing about 5 o'clock. So it's 7:41. We jumped on it about 5:30 because I had to run back to my hometown and help my nephew out with his car. So about 2 hours worth of work, you know what I'm saying? We was able to actually go at least, man, I mean, we had one quarter of it done. We was at least, you know what I'm saying, we got the other 3/4 of it, you know what I'm saying, tack welded where it needed to be. Everything is up there nice and strong now, leveled off. And like I said, I'm by far a welder. I'm by far a body man, but I will try it. And as you see, I had it in there the first time around, until he saw the car, and then he wanted to jump in and help. So, you know, mad shout out to him for coming through and actually, you know what I'm saying, showing me the proper way to actually get down to it when it come to tack welding and getting that body fitted up there and everything. That's about it, man. Just the body work on top. Just, you know what I'm saying, being real with you. That's it. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Oh yeah, you can see it. That poor 15 still look wet under dirt. No leaks, except right here where I had my bag running through my window, and the door wasn't sealed all the way through, so it was leaking through. It was leaking through the bag because I had the plastic over the top of the window right here, and you can see right here. You can see right here. You know what I'm saying? With that pressure off the plastic, it was coming through there. So when I opened the door up, you know what I'm saying, or when he opened the door up early, you know what I'm saying, the water just kind of got up under there, whatnot. I'm pretty sure it did the same thing on the other side, probably so too, because I gotta get rid of these weather scripts. So I'm gonna go ahead and order that type of stuff, man, and I'm gonna go ahead and start busting a lot of this right here down. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna speed the process up because you know, the weather changing and everything, man. But I don't know if y'all can see that top pretty good, man. I'm just gonna skim across it. So tomorrow when I get up, I'm out here, you know what I'm saying, with the DA and the grinder. No more dip in that thing, as you can see. So straight from front to back. No more dip. Straight from side to side. We jumping, man. So I'm gonna clean all this up. This whole top gonna get cleaned up, and I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping everything for Bondo. Again, man, a beast of a machine, man. If y'all got the money to spend, catch it on sale, man. I think I paid like, I forgot. Just go back and look at the YouTube, but because I didn't even do a review on this right here, man. I had to take this out of the box quick and just go. But me telling y'all right now, man, if y'all need a welder that's gonna get y'all to the point that's hot, this the one. That the Chicago welder is a great welder also. But if you need one that's small, this thing right here only weighs 15 pounds, man. So, you know, you sitting there and you lugging this around. That Chicago welder a whole lot bigger than that right there. You know, I could put my hand beside this and you can see how small this welder is. But it does what it does, man. Like I said, I got to go back. I'm gonna start cleaning up stuff with the brush, wire brush and everything. Pour 15 these tracks. Go ahead and make sure all that stuff's straight. My wires and everything still on my seat. So I'm gonna start My hot comes out of the floor right there. I'm gonna go ahead and start making my plugs so they can actually disconnect and connect to that. Still trying to make a decision on the dashboard. I was thinking Camaro, man, but I ain't even gonna lie. I see a lot of little young jits from my hometown. They got Camaros now, so I might change the dash, to be honest with you, with that swap. So y'all stay tuned, man. Like, I don't know whether I'm gonna do that thing on a raffle or how I'm gonna do it, but if somebody trying to do a Camaro dash swap, it came out of a 2015. I got the dash, I got the console, I got the cluster. I do not have the radio. I do not have the BSM. So, you know, if y'all want it, you know, I'm gonna start raffling this thing off. Oh yeah. Another thing I'm gonna do is start pulling these door panels. Pulling these door panels off, pulling these sidings, all that stuff off, so we can go ahead and get to it. So that's probably gonna be the next move. Start pulling these door panels and stuff off. Putting this stuff right here in the trunk, because I'm gonna work all this stuff all at one time. I just want to kind of get the door panels cut, get my metal pieces from the top taken off, figure out or draw out a design on how I want to go with it, and just kind of jump from there, if you get where I'm coming from, man. But yep, I'm about to get the shop vac, man, and go ahead and get this water up out of here, man. Put the seats back in there. I'm gonna jump back on it fresh tomorrow morning, man. So hopefully I have another video for y'all, man. I ain't even gonna lie, like at this point right here, I know it's a lot of stuff y'all want to see. Let me turn this camera. But right here, it's a lot of stuff that y'all want to see get done, man. I don't mind sitting here taking the time out to do it, but at the same time, you know, I'm gonna have to set the camera up or do something when I'm actually getting there and getting to work. So I can go ahead and get a little bit more work done. Because I'm going to be honest with you, I feel like I took a little bit too much time on the top. But this is my first top. And everybody that I have ran into, you know what I'm saying, word for word, they'll be like, man, Red, what was you thinking, boy? You picked the hardest top out of every top. And I'm like, why y'all say that? But then as I started to put it in, man, when I saw the weight, when I saw the cut, you know what I'm saying, just everything else, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I did pick the hardest top, but I did not back down. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing, man. I'm going to hit y'all on a whole nother video with that, man, because I kind of got a lot to say about how people get in your comments, which I don't care. You get in my comments, say what you want to say. But, you know, a lot of YouTubers, just like me, you know, they watch the next YouTuber's page, and then you want to say how, you know, it should have been done. Well, I mean, if you want to say how it should have been done, I'm going to just go ahead and get it out the way, man. I'm the type of person where I done hit a lot of y'all YouTubers up, and I burn my own money, my own gas to come out there, you know what I'm saying, to get beside y'all and work on y'all car and follow y'all lead. I ain't going to do nothing that, you know what I'm saying, y'all wouldn't want done. But when I'm working on my project, or when you see other people working on their project, the comments are nice, and we love the feedback. But this is not for the fans. This is for the YouTubers. So, however you do your work on your car is you. You see what I'm saying? With that being said, man, all my YouTubers who sitting there and they doing these budget bills or just bills, period, man, continue to do y'all thing, man. Don't let these people get in y'all comments and ruin y'all day, man. Like, y'all out there, man, the first thing in all of it is just getting something started. If you feel what I'm saying, man, stay positive, man. I ain't gonna waste too much of y'all time. It's getting late. Like I say, I'm gonna get out here. If I gotta do a whole video on that, man, like I do a whole video and just sit down and talk to y'all on some positive stuff, man, because we gotta stop that. Together we can build. You know what I'm saying? Divided, we always gonna fall. So, you know, your boy Rich Everything, man. Rich_Everything on Instagram with an A. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, man. We gonna go ahead, man. Box Chevy Bill. Y'all see it. The tent up top. So we're gonna go ahead and unhook a whole lot of this stuff. Put the welder up. Get the shop back out. Clean up this thing a little bit, man. Go ahead and get everything ready. I'm gonna put my 10 back over the top for the night. So when I come back out here in the morning, man, I can get out here with the grinder and start knocking some of this metal down, man. Your boy Rich, everything, man. Merch on the way. Talk to y'all about that whole merch situation, man. The first t-shirt I'll probably be dropping is Raw. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people know me when I used to roam in and out. You know what I'm saying? I dropped that Raw and Uncut. So REfilms t-shirts they in the process, but the Raw I already got pressed up, or I already got the logo made. My bad. I'm gonna get with my daughter tonight and see if she can go ahead and make me an official REfilm, something a little different. You know what I'm saying? I'll change it up just a little bit for you, man. But yeah, man, just letting y'all know, man, support the boy, man. Trying to get stickers, all that stuff sent or made so I can send out to the fans and everybody else, whether you follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is, man. Love, man. Look at here, man. Let me get to work, man. I'm out. Your boy Rich, man. I love y'all.